Hey, this video is going to be all about a very important topic. That is to say, the navigations. To explain what the navigations are in the easiest way possible, I have created a test project. You can head over to the resource section of the lesson and download it. Or if you want, you could also create your own new test project. The test project consists of 4 files besides the main.dart. So it has a home_web, home mobile, about web, and about mobile. The home of the material app has been set to home web for now. We are going to pass through these pages in order to explain how we can navigate through our Flutter apps with a simple built-in class called Navigate. Let's start by opening Home Web, and you're gonna find out that it has a column with texts and a material button which says Go to About. So firstly, I am going to show you the simplest way of navigating through the app. Here, I am going to try to go from Home Web Page to About Web Page by pressing the Go to About button on Home Web. And the Navigator class is going to take care of all the needs of our navigation. We just have to specify the pages. That's why in the onPressed function of the button, I want to write navigator.push. The push function accepts a context, so let's keep the context here. And the root part accepts a root. That is the material page root, because that's the way the navigation widget was made by Flutter. A route is basically a road which helps us to reach a specific page. So let's type material page route over here. Also, inside the builder property, give brackets. In brackets, write context. Then put a single line function. In order to do that, type an equal sign followed by a greater than sign. And finally, type the name of the page we want to navigate to, which is About Web. Don't forget to give it a semicolon and commas. Let's run the app and see what we get. Cool. So here is our page. And you can see that when we click the Go to About button, we are immediately redirected to the About web page. And when we click on the Back button from Chrome, we are redirected back to the home web. But what if we wanted to click on the Go Back button from the About page and return to the previous page, which is Home Web? It's pretty simple to do. We just have to go to the About web page, head over to the Material button, and inside the onPress function, we need to write navigator.pop, which accepts a context. And remember to put a semicolon at the end. Now let's go ahead and restart the app. We're on the first page, so I'm gonna press the Go to About button. And here is our About web page. Of course, we want to check what's gonna happen when we click on the Go Back button. And it works because we got redirected to the home page. You should know that we can also send values through the navigators. This means that we can pass a value from the home web page to the About web page. But it is best to keep every navigation route on one single page.